Hey creators, have you ever wanted to swap your face or anyone's face onto a video and make it look absolutely real? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create high-quality, AI-powered face swap videos in minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, click the link in the description to download it. Once it's open, click New Project, and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Make DeepFake video. On the left menu, click Face Swap, then select Video. You'll see two options, single face and multiple faces. Choose depending on how many faces you want to swap. For this video, I'll select single face. Now import your video. If your video isn't trimmed yet, click the Edit button to split it and choose the clip you like. Next, click Facial Recognition. In just a few seconds, Edimakor will automatically detect the face for you. Now comes the fun part. You can swap the face, blur it with a mosaic, or even add a sticker. And if you want to add another face for swapping, just click the plus button. Once you're done, hit Face Swap, and your deepfake video is ready to go.
Yes. Yeah, I think I know exactly where that would be.
Looks super realistic, right? Now it's your turn. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos. Go grab Edimakor and give it a try.